that, we are having a little Sunday reset. Sunday, the only day of the week that I'm allowed to do nothing. The day of the week that is really about me and just simply relax. I just love to clean my place, to get it settled for the upcoming week. But mostly, when my place is clean, I feel at so much peace. But first, let's get some groceries. I am not gonna lie. I have no idea. How am I gonna carry these groceries upstairs? 3 bags, flowers, and one person. That is me. Before anything, we are gonna need a snack. These are all my groceries. I always get plenty of fruits, like bananas, some berries, and then I got some vegetables and pineapple. I've been only eating fish, so I got some black cod, a salmon taco mix. The bread, I haven't been eating bread in the last couple weeks. Coconut milk, and what else? Yogurt for my yogurt bowls. Got some lemon for the juice, avocado, potatoes. Got some lots of mandarins. Let's go back to Pommy Cooking, where we're making some salmon, coconut milk, and pasta. And we're gonna make some juice, pineapple and celery. The perfect for the week. Oh, there. How did I? Oh my God! Everything was going perfect. How did I even realize that? No. Oh, jeez. Okay, we are back to business. We're not gonna give as much juice for this. Oh. Buy yourself the damn flowers. It's something I started to tell myself lately, where I buy flowers at least every time I can and just make my place look cute and beautiful, because I deserve the damn flowers and you do as well. So buy the damn flowers. After doing the whole cleaning, I can finally sit down and just have a quick chat with you guys. Hold on. Should I put on some music? Hold on. Let's set up the mood. I'll be right back. Sorry, I just love a smooth jazz. But yeah, I cleaned, I made my juice, I cooked. It's 5:18 and I actually finished everything around 4, and I was just like eating and taking some time. It's a time of the week that I allow myself to just sit down and relax. No worries, no friends to catch up with. The time is mine. It's only me and being crazy, and my neighbors probably listening to my music all the time. Just have a really quick check with ourselves, and I think it's very necessary for a break in the middle of the week. And I consider Sunday that day when I'm like, I'm gonna breathe, and I'm just gonna relax. For the rest of the evening, I love to just like grab my book. Actually, I feel so bad that I only have 80 pages left on this book and I haven't finished. But I have like 3 other books that I'm currently trying to finish, books that I'm trying to get into. I have Atomic Habits, I have Psychology of Money, and The Artistic Way. The rest of the night, I am pretty much just gonna turn on my projector, put on some Netflix or maybe YouTube and listen to some chill music and just really relax. Bye.